Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the home purchase page for Microsoft Office 365. And you'll notice that at the time of the recording of this video, you can purchase Office 365 for $9.99 a month or $99 per calendar year. And one of the applications in Microsoft Office 365 is going to be Microsoft PowerPoint. And currently, you are looking at the most recent version of Microsoft PowerPoint, and it's called PowerPoint 2016. Now you can go to your sign-in area, and if you have already purchased Microsoft Office, in order for it to work with all of your saved customizations, you'll need to make sure that you're signed in to the Microsoft account that you used when you purchased Microsoft PowerPoint. And the first menu we'll look at in Microsoft PowerPoint is going to be the File menu, and it's all the way to the left. And when you click open that interface, what you'll notice is that there are places for you to save your documents, as well as for you to open Microsoft PowerPoint documents from specific locations on your personal computer or in the cloud that's associated with Microsoft PowerPoint. In this menu, you also have an Info tab. With the Info tab, you'll get specific information about the document that you're working with, and you can expand the view of those properties by clicking Show All Properties. One of the features in the Info tab is that you'll be able to protect the presentation by controlling the kind of changes that others can make to the presentation. Now, also in your left side menu, you'll see that you can open a new document, you can open existing documents, and you can save the documents that you're working on. One of the features of PowerPoint 2016 is that any document that you're working with can be saved as a PDF document. Now, one of the other things that you'll see here in the tab is you'll see the account area. And this is where you can get information about updating your product and about your particular license. You can also sign into Office through your PowerPoint document so that you'll be able to get any personalizations that you have made to the settings. We have just gone through the basics of the File menu. In this course, we will walk through all of the basics of the menus as we go across the screen to the right. By the time that we have completed that journey, you will be able to create basic to intermediate level PowerPoint presentations. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.